You don't want to carry around different moisture meters?
The new EXMM317. All in one, all for you. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, I'm Manuel, Product Manager at Measuring Tools.
My name is Roland, Product Trainer.
And today we have a closer look on our latest addition to the portfolio, the EXMM317. But Roland, what makes this tool so special?
Our moisture meter combines 3 sensors in one tool. The resistance measurement with the pins, the thermohygrometer for measuring the temperature and the relative humidity, and on the backside, the PET sensor.
EXMM stands for EXPERT, MM for moisture meter, 3 is the amount of sensors as already explained by you, 1 is the first generation and 7 is the highest feature set.
You can either use 2 AA batteries to run the tool or our lithium-ion 3.7 volt battery. During measurement, you can just store the magnetic cap underneath.
The tool itself has a very robust housing with safety class IP65. Furthermore, it is rubberized all around and also keeps your fingers safe with the additional finger guard. The EXMM317 has a big LCD display with a high contrast. If we have a closer look on it, on the top half you can see the temperature measurement as well as the relative humidity measurement. In the middle, currently pin mode is active, but we can easily switch from pin to PET mode using this button here below. On the right side we can also see the battery status. If we go further downwards, we can on the one hand see the favorites list, which can be selected via the settings in the menu. And also below that we can see the threshold scale. This one can be individualized on the main screen by yourself. Down below this, we can also see the current measurement, which is context-based on your setup threshold scale, as well as the ability to store up to 2 different measurements.
Let's have a look in the feature settings. Therefore, I press the button Settings, and then you see here already Material Selection. So there you have the possibility to select between 37 wood types and 10 different construction materials, which you select as a favorite, and then you have them visible in the main menu. Then the next point is self-test. If you start the tool, it makes a self-test for the pin mode, and here you have the possibility to do it manually. Maybe the tool has fallen down, you don't trust it anymore, so just make a self-test. Then you can also switch on and off the sound, and very important, we have 36 different languages which you can select.
Let's start with the pin measurement. Before starting the measurement itself, we have to keep in mind to select the right material. Therefore, I selected beech, and also to select the right mode. Here I already selected pin. For the magnetic cap, we can easily store it underneath. Here I got a sample of beech, and I can just put the moisture meter in the material, and I can see it's already indicated in green as it is below the 14% of the threshold scale, and also displays around 7.8%.
Let's change to the PET measurement. Therefore, I have a piece of oak, and first what I do is putting back the magnetic cap here to not hurt my fingers. Then switch from pin to PET version. Then go in the fast selection of the material and change to oak. And then I start my measurement. I see here now roughly 10%. And if I go to the side where we made it wet before, we have more than 20% material moisture.
But that's not all. Additionally to the PET measurement, we can also select a reference mode. This is also indicated here on the favorites list, which can be easily selected and is always present. For the reference mode, it sets a point 0 in this area and refers all the other measurements to this kind of area. Therefore, I just place my PET meter on here, and then it says set reference. I say yes with pressing the button in the center. It says reference set, and therefore I can start my reference mode. I'm moving the tool also to the pre-wet area, and we can see, oh, based on this reference mode, it is more wet than the others. With the EXMM317, material moisture is in your control.
And if you're curious about the other products, we put you the link for the video below.
If you have further questions, feel free to write us a comment.
If you enjoyed the video, then please like and subscribe.